Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to beautiful Galveston, Texas. Today we're here at the Port of Galveston because Carnival Breeze has officially arrived back from her dry dock and she has a brand new look. Let's check it out. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. There is your look at the beautiful Carnival Breeze arriving back at the Port of Galveston. Let us know, are you sailing on this amazing ship anytime soon? I promise you, you're gonna have an absolutely fun-tastic time on board that amazing vessel. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell if you did. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, here on the Travel with Nick channel, I'm your host, Nick J. So long, hope you stay along for the very next adventure. Bye-bye.